Have you ever felt like your business is stuck in a growth plateau? You're doing everything by the book, marketing campaigns, ads, sales outreach, but somehow your growth has hit a wall. Well, you're not alone. Most mid-sized businesses face this exact challenge. But what if I told you there's a smarter, more holistic way to break through these bottlenecks? Enter growth strategy, a powerful approach that goes beyond traditional marketing to drive sustained, scalable business growth. Let's understand with examples. So, what exactly is growth strategy? Unlike traditional marketing, which focuses on top-of-the-funnel activities like brand awareness and lead generation, growth strategy takes a holistic approach. It's all about acquisition, activation, retention, revenue, operational efficiency, and innovation, ensuring every part of the business is aligned for growth. Think of how companies like Amazon or Tesla grew exponentially. Amazon didn't just run ads. They optimized logistics, expanded product lines, and leveraged customer data to refine recommendations. Tesla disrupted the auto industry by integrating innovation, supply chain efficiency, and customer loyalty into a single growth model. That's growth strategy in action, aligning multiple business levers rather than just marketing alone. Mid-sized businesses often have two key challenges: limited resources and the struggle to scale beyond early success. Growth strategy helps solve both by focusing on business-wide optimization and innovation. Here's why it's a game changer. 1. It removes bottlenecks. Instead of just increasing ad spend, growth strategy identifies weak points in the entire business model, be it operations, sales, or customer experience, and optimizes them. 2. It increases customer lifetime value. Through better product offerings, efficient operations, and personalized engagement, you maximize revenue per customer. 3. It builds sustainable growth. Unlike short-term paid ad strategies, growth strategy focuses on scalable systems like process automation, customer retention, and innovation that drive long-term success. Take Apple. Instead of just pushing ads, they invested in product design, brand differentiation, retail experience, and ecosystem development, creating a loyal customer base and consistent growth. That's growth strategy at work. Now, let's talk about some key tactics you can apply to your business today. 1. Operational efficiency and process automation. Streamlining workflows and automating repetitive tasks can free up resources for strategic initiatives. 2. Referral and customer advocacy programs. Give customers a strong incentive to refer others, just like Tesla's referral program that rewarded existing owners. 3. Product and service innovation. Regularly improve your offerings based on customer feedback to stay ahead of competitors. 4. Cross-departmental collaboration. Align marketing, sales, customer support, and product teams to create a seamless growth engine. 5. Data-driven decisions. Always analyze business metrics holistically using tools like BI dashboards, CRM analytics, and customer insights. So, if you're running a mid-sized business and feel like you're hitting a wall, it's time to shift gears. Traditional marketing alone won't cut it anymore. A well-rounded growth strategy helps you scale smarter, optimize better, and build a sustainable revenue engine. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Brand Catalyst for more insights on business, marketing, and AI. Let's unlock your business's full potential together.